guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Erin Olmstead, and today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine, but updated. I haven't done this video in a while. It is already on my channel, but I've gotten some new products and I've been able to test them out and see how much I like them, and they have just become solid into my everyday makeup routine, so I wanted to share that with you guys today. I've not been here for basically the whole entire month of May again. Like, I was out for the whole entire month of April, and I was out for basically all of May, and it's been really busy in my life. I've had school going on and stuff. Actually, I just got out. Yesterday was my last day of school for 10th grade, so God bless, honestly. It was a really tough year and stuff, but I'm excited to go into 11th grade, and I'm working this summer. I'm gonna make money. Hopefully I'm gonna put some of that towards my YouTube channel. I really want to see my YouTube channel grow this summer, and really try to grow out my content. So anyway, if you want to see this video of my everyday makeup routine, then just keep on watching. Alright, so a new product I've been trying out is the Maybelline The Baby Skin. This is the Instant Pore Eraser Primer. I'm really enjoying this primer. I've also been moisturizing like about every other day. I already moisturized this morning because in the summertime I am less dry, but I still have some dry spots, some dry patches, so I want to make sure I'm getting rid of those by using some moisturizer and just really making my skin feel fresh all the time. Next, I'll go into a foundation. This foundation has been my staple foundation for a long time. I think I started using this last summer, so I've had it for about a year now, and I absolutely love this. Yeah, I use this every day. It's a great foundation. I haven't found one that I like more. I do know that they just came out with their cushion foundations, which they're a bit of a lighter coverage, but I definitely want to try those out. So this summer I'm in a volleyball club, just like last summer. I don't know if you guys have seen my previous videos on my channel, but I did some makeup looks for like volleyball and stuff, and I did a get ready with me for a volleyball like tournament or whatever, and I definitely want to like film some of those for you guys, like even like a vlog kind of thing. For my channel, I still don't know what kind of content I want to have on it. I definitely want to focus around makeup, but I also like love the idea of vlogging. Also, I'm 16 now, so I have my permit, but I don't have my license yet till next October, so I have to wait this summer to get it. And that's gonna be really nice because I'm thinking like around next winter time I can like do some vlogging like in my car, just like drive around like on my way to school, do some of those like chit chats or whatever, and I think that'll be really fun because my sister is not going to be using her car during the winter, and I will be getting that car and I'll have my license. So like all will be good, and that's what I'm really looking forward to, but I definitely want to expand my content much further. So for concealer, I have to get a new one of these, but I've been using the Wet n Wild. This is their Photo Focus Concealer. Goes along with the foundation, and I just use this underneath my eye, so a couple of dots here, and then some on my chin. But I don't have a lot of acne right now, which is like really exciting because normally I do, and it's a nice feeling to have like clear skin. So immediately after I put on concealer, I'm gonna go in with a setting powder just to set everything. When you put a liquid on your face, you want to set it with a powder so it doesn't move around all day. After like an 8-hour school day, my foundation is rubbing off my nose and like around my nose and on my nose, all comes off, and on my chin it will separate, but that's after an 8-hour period. That's just setting into my foundation and my concealer and my skin. I'm going to do my brows. My brows are already pretty thick and dark and really don't need to be filled in that much, but I just like to give them some more shape and fill them in a little bit more. So first what I do is I'm just going to brush out my brows with a spoolie, just to get the hairs untangled into the place where I want them. And then I'll take my brush and sculpt out the bottom of it like so. And then I'll go on the top a little bit and just fill it in. Light strokes. Just one tap all the time. I'll go up the front of my brow, but not a lot of product there. I really want to focus it towards the bottom of my brow, towards the tail. For eyes, I go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I use this constantly. Actually, yesterday she launched her new shades. There are technically some shades that she did not put into this palette because only 35 shades were into this palette and she could only choose 35 of the shades. But apparently she had hundreds that she wanted to actually put into this palette but couldn't. So she decided to release those shades into separate like compartments that you could buy, and there's like different color categories. You can guys go check out her video, but it is like everything I could dream for, and I definitely want to get that kit. I think it's $50 for 50 shades, is that right? I'm not sure, but it's a pretty good deal. I also want to get Jeffree Star's palette. I don't know if you guys have seen that either. I don't know if you guys know who Jeffree Star is. He is a beauty guru on YouTube. He just came out with his Thirsty palette, and that is gorgeous as well, and I want that. I always wanted some of his makeup. He comes out with liquid lipsticks, and I want those too, but I don't really wear lipstick. I definitely wear eyeshadow, so I wanted to get that as well. Another palette that I want for the summer is the Nudie Patootie palette by Laura Lee. If you don't know who she is another beauty guru on YouTube. She makes videos as well, and she came out with Cat's Pajamas in the fall time, and she just came out with Nudie Patootie like around in April. So I want that one as well. I want all those palettes, maybe just one from Jaclyn, because she came out with 4 color categories, and I think I just want one of those. For Jeffree Star, I definitely want the Thirsty palette, and I definitely want the Nudie Patootie palette from Laura Lee. But today we're gonna go with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I go very simple with this. Some days I don't even wear eyeshadow. Like it all depends how I'm feeling. I will sometimes just put on some mascara after this and be good, some highlight, and I'm done. But I wanted to show you guys if I do wear eyeshadow what I would wear. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. These shades I just kind of slap onto my eye because I'm going to school and I don't really need anything special for my eyelids. Then I'll go in with this shade and this shade down here. That can go on my lid. Just pack that on. Before I go on to mascara, which will be the last step, I'm going to go in with some highlight for my cheekbones, and for my inner corners I use the Fenty Beauty. This is their Kilowatt. This is Lightning Dust in Fire Crystal. So beautiful shades right here. It comes with a little mirror, which is adorable, and I love this packaging. It is just beautiful. Like, ah! It's so nice. Okay, so I just go in with both right here. And I just go straight in. I don't really go overwhelming. I just try to get a nice little last in there. Is my mascara. Now really I apply mascara really, like I really critique my mascara. I use the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. I was using the Benefit Roller Lash from Benefit, but I just recently got this for my birthday, and I've definitely wanted this for a while. Alright guys, and this is it. This is my everyday makeup routine. This is what I would wear every single day. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are excited for the new content that I will be bringing you. I definitely want to show you some new things for this channel, and I'm really excited for it. Hope you all are having a great day wherever you are, and yeah, peace.